everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. By the title you know, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite perfume. All the perfumes that I'm going to be mentioning in today's video are very much available in the Indian market. They're very affordable. So to know more, let's do less talking and move to spraying. So basically I have them laid down according to their height. Like the tiniest one is in the front, the tallest bottle of the perfume is at the last. So I'm going to be rating all of these and telling you about them according to their height. So we're going to start with the tiniest one. So this one is basically a perfume oil, or as we call it, Itr. This one is pure perfume. It doesn't have any sort of alcohol in it, and this one is from the brand called Arochen. This is what this tiny bottle looks like. It is a 6 ml roll-on concentrate, amazing lasting. I absolutely love the way it lasts. I like to apply it mostly when I'm working out or I'm going out for a run, because this one just makes sure that you smell really fresh and nice. I think the name for this one is called the Bud Mogra, and this one smells like Mogra. It's very good and I like to apply it onto my wrist, and then from my wrist I like to apply it to my neck and other areas where I want to be smelling good. Definitely something anyone will easily notice and will also smell it from far away. This is very strong and I love it. Moving to number 2, on my number 2nd list we have this one. This one is Orchid from Zara. This is how the bottle looks like. It is really pretty and it comes in this very luxurious, nice, hard glass sort of packaging. This one has a beautiful pinkish looking cap, and even the text on it is written in pink, and that's one of the reasons why I bought this one. So this one is very different than what I mostly use. I got it from Zara store in Pune. It is something that is not super or over the top sweet, very earthy, and this one also has a little bit of the woody tones to it. So this one definitely is something that you can wear on a daily basis. Does not stay for a very long time. On number 3 we have a perfume from Playboy. So this perfume also comes in a very clear bottle, and I'm so sorry I lost the cap. I lost the nozzle thing that really sprays out. But this is a very tough glass, and the packaging is very nice and very comfortable to hold as well. I absolutely love perfumes that are in a clear bottle or a clear glass, because it really makes sure that I know when my perfume is going to end, so I can go on and get another one. When it comes to this perfume is definitely something that I recommend you to wear at night when you're going out. This is very powerful, but that's something I absolutely love, and that's why I love this one so very much. I would say that this one is definitely a unisex perfume, because even though it is a little feminine and it is a little sweet, but it also has this very overpowering and powerful smell of wood. It's the perfect balance. Moving to number 4 from Zara again, and this one is called the Cholide Mauve. The name of this perfume and its packaging, I mean, the packaging and the bottle's color is so cute. Obviously it's mauve, and it's like it has this very cute vibe to this. The packaging is very good. Again, Zara nails the perfume packaging absolutely right. This is 100 ml. I got this one in Pune. Again, this is actually gifted, and so is this one. These two were together, so they were in like a combo thing. My friends gifted it to me, so I'm very thankful for that. It has a lot of floral notes to it, but it also has a little musk in it, which really makes it very appealing to wear during the day as well as during the night. So I'm going to do a little spray for you. Let's like spray onto this hand now. Okay. This one definitely smells very fresh and floral at the same time. I have to mention that the stay of this particular perfume is very long. It definitely is very long lasting. It will really go perfect for you if you're someone who doesn't really likes a lot of sweet smell. Next perfume we're going to be talking about is again from Zara. So this one is called Femme. As you can see, it is a nice big bottle just like the previous one, and this one is in color white. The whole packaging of this one is white. As the name suggests, is femme, but it also has very beautiful woody tones to it. This one also has a little bit of musk and vanilla. Very little though. It's again something that I would wear from day to night. It stays on you like crazy and anyone will easily notice that you're wearing a very lovely perfume. This perfume is going to be perfect for you if you work around a lot of people, or if you're someone who's looking forward to have this woody tone to their perfume and don't really want to smell sweet all the time, then this one is the best one for you. Next perfume that we have up is from Wardrobe. This is basically a perfume line from West Side. The one that I have is called New York. There are others like Paris. You should definitely check this line out because what I'm going to say next is going to blow your mind. The perfume was for 1500, and I think if you're going to be buying it from any website or during a sale, then it's going to be more beneficial for you. It is in 100 ml bottle and the packaging is very strong, you guys. This stays on like crazy. You don't even have to reapply it because it is just going to stay with you and going to stick to you. It reminds me of passion fruit because it does smell very sweet and very feminine. So I absolutely love it. I'm going to spray a little bit of this for you. It reminds me of passion fruit and maybe like a bubblegum flavor mixed in together. It is very sweet and feminine. I have received a lot of compliments on this one. I'm being honest, after my signature perfume, the only perfume that has gotten me a lot like crazy compliments, then it has to be this one. It's just so good. The next perfume we have on is again from Zara. Like Zara, you should sponsor me. So this one is from Zara and this one is called the Red Vanilla. If you know me, I am a crazy fan of vanilla scented or vanilla notes, and I absolutely love perfumes that have vanilla as their key notes, and this one is definitely one of those. This one is like a mix between rose and vanilla, so it's even perfect. This one again was gifted by a friend, and the packaging, the color, and like I love the way the bottle is like ombre. I absolutely love the packaging. I'm going to do a little spray for you. Smells a little smoky with vanilla and then a tint of rose in it. It is a very light perfume to wear. I like to wear this one during the daytime, especially during a class or when I might be going out to meet a couple of friends. Even though this one smells amazing, I always have to make sure that I keep on spraying this because it tends to vanish a little bit. So it's not that long lasting. You have to keep on applying it again and again, over and over. So last but not the least, this one is the Cosmo Girl perfume. This one is the last perfume in my collection. It has a very cute little bow at the front. This is Cosmo Girl from Mariage. I love the packaging. I mean, look, it's so pink. It has a little bow on it, and even the tab was very much pink, you guys. Oh my god. I mean, do I have to even explain how much I love the color pink? I always end up buying products that are like pink or like have this beautiful pink packaging. This one was made in UAE. The packaging is absolutely perfect. I got a little rough with this one and it ended up falling on the floor, but it still survived. So I'm really glad that it did. It's with me now because the smell of this one is very delicious. This is the kind of perfume that you want to wear during an Indian event or a traditional event, like for example a wedding or like Sangeet or something like that. It is not too heavy, but it is also very sweet and sweet enough for people to notice your perfume and to let you know that it smells amazing, and so do you. When it comes to the notes, it definitely has a lot of musk in it and a little tints of vanilla on it. It also smells like most Itre do. This one has an amazing staying power. It really does stay throughout the day, and as the name suggests, you're going to be smelling like a Cosmo Girl, but definitely in a more sweeter manner. So that's all I have in my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know which perfume you like the most and which one you want to know more about in the comment section. Lots of love, big kisses, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and keep smelling good. Bye bye.